In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit card to Lyft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily attribute a debit card to your Lyft account. This way, it will be saved for future payments, and it is always going to be available for you to manage. So to add the debit card, sign into your account and open the menu. So there's going to be an option to open the menu, usually at the top left, where you see 3 lines. So tap on those 3 lines, and inside of the menu, what you have to do is go into the payment window. So open the menu after you sign into your account, and then go to payment. Inside of payment, you will see your Lyft Cash and the option to add new payment methods. So this is where you can attribute new credit or debit cards into your account. So tap the option here. Once you tap the plus sign to add a new payment method, you can choose between credit or debit card, PayPal, and cash. If you want to use one of the other ones, just tap on them instead, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be focusing on credit or debit card. So you will have to enter the relevant information like the full card number, the expiration date, security code, and then finish it off with the issuing country and the zip code. If you need additional information on where to find all of these numbers, you can tap on the information icon here and they will show you where to find them. Usually the CVV, which is the 3-digit code, is going to be at the back, and the month of the year is going to be printed alongside the full card number. So all that you have to do is fill out all of the information and the card is going to appear attributed under your payment methods. Now, every single time in the future that you are ready to pay for a ride, you will see this payment method available. You can add multiple cards and you can remove them at any time. Just go over to this window and open the options related to that card. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a debit card to Lyft. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.